What's going on YouTube? So in today's video we'll discuss how to create a Docker network. Creating a Docker network is simple. Just type Docker network create and provide your own name for your network, and then you will have your own Docker network. The purpose of a Docker network is to allow you to group your containers inside of a virtual network, allowing them to communicate within each other. You can look online to see all the different options you could pass when creating a Docker network, such as driver, interface, subnet, and many others. When I create my own Docker network, I provide a subnet and gateway so that way I can assign static IP addresses to all my container. In fact, I actually have a video of me doing that. I will include it somewhere on this video some way. So this concludes the video, and with this you'll understand the basics of creating a Docker network, though I didn't go into depths about the different drivers and interface and the other options you can pass. However, if you'd like for me to go over that, please be sure to like and subscribe, and then I will entertain the idea in the future. So until then, peace.